Run that back turbo.
When I made my first million, I ain't panic. I only drink out this hill. I'm done with Zanny. I bought my mama a crib. I'm outstanding. I'm pressing my cousin a pill till it's granny.
He needs some milk.
What's up, everybody? It's Liyah Joinee and welcome to my channel. Okay, so before we get into this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment some comments down below, and let's get into it. Okay, so first you'll need a comb, a brush, a toothbrush, some gel, and a brush. That is all you're going to need for this video. I will be back towards the end of the video to start explaining some more stuff, so go ahead and enjoy this video and let's get right into it. As y'all can see, I do need a new gel. I have been using this whole thing up and I really need a new gel basically. Okay, for this part of the side part, you're gonna have to use your hands to hold your to hold your side part in place while you sleek it down. This is like the #1 key to how you're gonna keep it flat and keep it on your head. So as you can see, I'm holding my hand down on it and you just pull it back behind your ears, and that's how you can keep it from looking dusty, you know what I'm saying? So that's all I came here to tell y'all. Enjoy the rest of the video.
to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go.